So hello guys, welcome back to our WordPress course. This is going to be our third video where I'm going to talk about what is plugin on WordPress and how we use it. And this is our course guys. We have done WordPress introduction and WordPress page and post guide. Here you can see you can bookmark this playlist and see every video of this playlist so that you can understand fully what I'm trying to tell you guys. So if you haven't seen the first and second video, this video is going to be a little bit complicated for you because I will use the thing I told on first and second video. So please make sure to watch this video and let's get started. So we have on our first, we're going to start the SEM control panel. Start. Then we're going to access our page, which is localhost my web. So here we go. We have on our page. Now let's log into our admin panel. And password is hello. So as you can see on our admin panel of our WordPress page, we have an option here called plugins. Now let's click on plugins to see what is this. As you can see, there are already plugins which WordPress, when we install the WordPress, we already have those plugins installed, but these plugins are not activated. As you can see, you have option to activate those plugins. So first, let's see what Google tell us about what is plugin. Now see what is plugin in WordPress. In WordPress, a plugin is a small software application that extends the features and function of WordPress website. Plugins play a major role in building great website using WordPress. As you can see, the plugin is small software application that help the WordPress website to have more features and more functions on our website. So now let's see this in practical. Here we have spam protection, a Kismet and anti-spam protection plugin. What this plugin do is it will add some code on our WordPress and it will prevent the spamming comments and spamming the text that the user gave to us. It will prevent those users from spamming. Like this, there are a lot of plugins you can add. For example, if you go to add new and you will search plugins, we have there are, I don't know how much plugins there are. Now let's see how much plugins are there in WordPress. More than 53 free plugins. As you can see, there are a lot of free plugins and there are a lot of premium plugins which we need to pay, and those premium plugins are meant to be the better than the free version of those plugins, but we mostly use free version of plugin on starting when you are when you have more experience with plugins and WordPress website and you are start to getting money from those website, you can use the premium plugin to manage and to create easily the website. But now let's see one plugin which is called Elementor. And what this plugin do is it will make the creation of our website really easy. It will add some code on our WordPress file or WordPress folder, and those code will help us to create a website with the drag and drop, and it will already have some of the functions like form, a login form, etc. to build a website really fast. So now when we install the plugin, we have to activate those plugins to start using. So now let's activate the Elementor plugin, and we will see what it will do. So here we see that we have now another option called Elementor here in our admin panel. So in this Elementor, we have another file. We just after installing the plugin Elementor, we got another option which is templates. In this templates, you can see we have a thing called theme builder. So when we go to theme builder, we can build a header, footer, sample page, single post, everything for our website. But to do this, we have to have the premium version of the Elementor. We can this is secret, but I don't know if I should tell you, but I use the plugin Elementor cracked version which help me to build those thing, header, footer for every page without spending the money. So I use the cracked version. If you have money, you shouldn't use the cracked version, because the premium version of it, the legit premium version you buy, is way more better than the cracked version, because they have more, you have less, almost zero chance of virus and hacking your to getting virus on your site. But if you use the cracked version, there are a lot of chances that you will end up getting the virus on your site. But yeah, but sometimes using cracked version help us make our website better. So now we have our Elementor plugin on our website. Now let's use it by going to page. Now we are going to make on page. I already told in this last video how to make a page. So now see all page, we have privacy policy and sample page. Now let's add new page, which is going to be home page. I'm just creating this page to show the demo of the Elementor plugin, but I'm not making this website really good looking. As you can see, when we with this the plugin called Elementor, we have access to these things like the Google Map. As you can see, we can add Google Map directly on our website with drag and drop, and like this. And we have another thing. As you can see, when you click here, you will access to these widgets, and when you click on this widget, as you can see, edit on this widget, you will have access to edit this widget like this, style, advanced, and those things. You can give margin, you can give padding. If you don't know what is if you don't know CSS, then it is going to take some time to understand this, but basically the margin is the outside of the element and the padding is inside of the element. And width, height, align, order, you can change anything, and you can even add some custom CSS code here. So that's it, guys. As you can see, what is the plugin called Elementary. You can drag and drop the widgets to your website and make really easy. On our next video, I'm going to give you some tips about how to get the correct version, and we will use this correct version to easily build our website, because without the version there are a lot of locked widgets. As you can see, we cannot add these posts. We have to have pro version of this, and we will crack this pro version to use on this website, and we will make those websites really better. As you can see, we have a lot of widgets here. We can even drag and drop the progress bar. As you can see, if you are making your portfolio, you can show your portfolio by just your skills by just drag and dropping this progress bar here. So thank you for watching, guys. I will see you on our next video. We'll continue to talk about these plugins, and we will see the correct version of the Elementor on our next video. So stay tuned, guys. I will see you next time.